Okay, I'm gonna assume this is building 6. I'll find out soon, but this is...
definitely building 6.
Yeah. This is one of the other banks of elevators here. Oh, are you working on?
Oh, yeah, come in.
Oh, I can? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. Are you cleaning or what?
Just cleaning.
I'm just interested in elevators. We're just taking a ride. Here we go. On 3.
The front door needs a little work.
Yeah,
It's in bad condition.
I can see that.
I'm just gonna. Ooh, now it's falling apart.
Oof. Try not to get. Just try to show the cab without showing him, because I don't want that. This is pretty nice. Albeit they are still basic, but these are definitely nice. These are some of the few original places on Disney property in terms of elevators. Well, have a nice day, sir.
Okay, you too. All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
of course. And that's gonna be it.
If I would film like if I open that.
Yeah, that's
front
building
box,
6. And that's it.
Then the front door would fall off.